If you're attempting to develop a full beard, you could find this frustrating. Years before many guys start to grow a full beard, guys will already have the start of a mustache and a few chin hairs. How quickly and completely your beard will grow in the end is mostly influenced by your genetics and hormones. The hormone testosterone is mostly responsible for the growth of facial hair. Low testosterone levels might have a negative impact on beard development. Under the guidance of a doctor, taking supplements may promote beard development in men who have clinically low testosterone levels. Taking supplements won't likely assist if your testosterone levels are normal. Even if your testosterone levels are normal, you can still be genetically predisposed to have a sparse beard. Testosterone may also have an impact on the fullness of beard development. There is some proof that the quantity of dihydrotestosterone you make affects the linear hair growth rate or how quickly your beard grows. DHT is a metabolic of testosterone that is triggered by an enzyme in the oil glands of the hair follicle. Rates of beard development might vary greatly. You might find that your beard grows about half an inch every month once your beard growth pattern is fully set. Everything, including your beard, is influenced by your general health. Genetics cannot be changed, but there are lifestyle choices that may improve your health and hasten the development of a thicker beard. Young men's testosterone levels normally change throughout the day, peaking in the morning and falling off in the afternoon. A healthy, balanced diet that provides adequate nutrients may be good for both your body and your beard. Exercise increases blood flow, which encourages the formation of hair follicles. Strength training and weightlifting exercise can also momentarily increase testosterone. Try changing up your workouts and the times of day you undertake them. Young men's testosterone levels naturally fluctuate throughout the day, increasing in the morning and declining in the afternoon. Trusted source. Diet. A healthy diet, balanced diet that provides adequate nutrients may be good for both your body and your beard. Due to the fact that obesity might suppress testosterone, it's critical to maintain a body mass index within the usual range. Lean proteins such as chicken and salmon, iron such as liver, whole grains, and other healthy carbohydrates. Foods are high in zinc such as nuts and chickpeas. A nutritious diet won't change your DNA, but it might encourage the growth of beautiful, healthy hair already on your head. Numerous substances are designed expressly to promote beard growth. Additionally, it may help with beard growth. Beard looks can benefit from maintaining clean, moisturized skin and beard. This will aid in removing dirt and dead skin cells from the area surrounding each hair follicle. Additionally, it helps lessen the chance of ingrown hairs developing beneath your beard. Beard Pacific leave-in conditioners can help hydrate and nourish the hair, keeping it smooth. It helps to shave your beard to make it look nice and uniform. However, shaving does not cause beard hair to grow more quickly. Your beard will look thicker if you keep it clean and moisturized. However, there isn't a precise routine that has been demonstrated by science to thicken beard hair. However, it is probable that these nurturing moisturizers operate similarly to leave-in conditioners, nurturing beard hair and giving it a luscious, thick appearance. A product called Rogaine is intended to promote scalp hair growth. Genetics have a significant role in determining both the rate of growth and fullness of your beard. It can also be beneficial to get enough sleep and practice proper hygiene. Daily sleep deprivation reduced testosterone levels in healthy young men, according to a small study. Sleep is when your body releases the majority of the testosterone it contains. The lack of sleep, sleep apnea, and disturbed sleep can all harm this process. There are many options for growing facial hair, but there are certain things to consider. The myth of shaving. It helps to shave your beard to make it look nice and uniform. However, shaving does not cause beard hair to grow more quickly. It doesn't thicken it either. Face hair frequently becomes more itchy, particularly if you are growing out a beard for the first time. A symbol of beauty and general health is healthy hair. Numerous substances are designed expressly to promote beard growth. Similar to food, there's no magic treatment that can combat inherited traits. Like we said before, it may be equally as good to take supplement or multivitamin that contains iron and zinc if you are unable to attain all the minerals you require through diet. If DHT is to blame for your hair loss, DHT blocking shampoo may help. Make sure you follow our channel because Tiggio will release more how-to videos. If you learned anything from this video, then you should like this video and then share this video with your close friends. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel as we will release more great videos.